I had a request to teach or have a tutorial over how to do a French braid. Now, here's the thing. I am that weird person where I can do French braids on everybody else and Dutch braids on myself. It's weird because the French braid you twist in, Dutch braid you twist out, and for some weird reason, I've only been able to do Dutch braids on myself. So when someone asks French braid, they're like, oh, okay, well, awesome. Like, I know how to do it. I just need to make sure that I can do it on myself because I'm quarantined and I don't have anybody with long hair with me. So with my nappy, short hair, I gave it a shot and I did it. And it's not the prettiest, but it took me a couple of attempts. It's not bad. Clearly my hair is, not brushed out. It's my natural hair. And I have a lot of layers with the short hair, so things are popping out here and there, but you get the gist. So I'm gonna give it a shot and show you how to French braid your own hair or anybody's hair in general. So stay with me and bear with me. I'm gonna have to get real close to this camera so you can see. So good Lord, this morning. I'm gonna take 3 strands of my hair. Wherever you want your braid to start, you can take it from there. Now here's the thing, I have 3 strands, and I'm gonna take the strand closest to the 2 strands closer to my hair, my scalp, and I'm going to take them and put them under the middle one. One's gonna go under the middle one, one's gonna go over. They're just going to the opposite side. So from right here, I just started the braid. I started to kind of the 3 strands. So this part, each time you go on the outside or you, after you twist, you're gonna pull hair from one side. So this side's gone over, I'm gonna pull hair from here. So now here's the thing where I had to really think out about because I have to go in, not out. So that hair that I just pulled right here, see this middle strand of hair? I'm going to twist it with that. So I'm going to twist it. So that's twisted, right? So now this strand, I'm going to pull hair from here. And I'm going to twist it with my new middle piece. Now, see that piece right here? It's time to pull hair from this side. Make sure it's not nappy. Now I'm going to twist it with my middle. And then now this side, it's turned to get twisted in the middle. So as you can tell, you're twisting with the middle, whatever piece is in the middle. God, my hair's nappy at the moment. So twist and twist. Oh my God, y'all hear my dogs? And twist. It's not gonna be pretty because my hair is really nappy right now. Twist. And twist, and twist. And twist, and twist. My hair is so short. Oh, it's not gonna be pretty, but you get it. Yeah, I'm running out of hair to twist. Good Lord. Okay. Okay. Whew. So here is your French braid. So all you do is you continuously, now of course right here it got really crazy because my hair is just short, nappy, and but it's easier when you have your hair already like brushed through, straight, wet, curly, whatever. It's easy to manipulate. Don't do it when your hair is naturally like this. You gotta brush through it, get stuff out. But as you twist, so the hardest part is gonna be just getting it started. All you do is act like you're about to start a 3-strand braid, but instead of just continuing those 3 strands, as you go out, or after you twist, you grab some hair and then you twist it with the middle strand. Once you've twisted it with the middle strand and now you have a new middle strand, then you grab from the other side and twist and twist and twist and twist. So hopefully that clarified something.